everyone, Sherry Lynn here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a potluck cauliflower chicken salad, and it's absolutely perfect to take to a gathering. You'll notice this isn't my regular kitchen behind me, and that's because we are at the lake and have a potluck birthday dinner to go to tomorrow. So I'm gonna make this chicken salad recipe. I know you guys are gonna love it. It is absolutely delicious and everyone seems to really enjoy it. Check it out. So jumping right into this cauliflower chicken salad recipe, the ingredients you're gonna need are 2 shredded cooked chicken breasts. You can use roasted, I boiled mine. You can bake it however you prefer. A small head of lettuce, a head of cauliflower, 10 strips of cooked and crumbled bacon, a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 medium onion. I usually prefer red onion. I didn't have one on hand, so I'm using a sweet onion, but either or will work. And 1 cup of mayonnaise. If you're doing strict keto, you'll want to make your own mayonnaise from scratch. I'm not doing strict, so I can use this. And that's it. That's the ingredients you need. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead, after you wash all your vegetables, is go ahead and shred your lettuce and put it in the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So now that we got the lettuce in the bottom of our pan, our next step is to go ahead and break apart the cauliflower flowerets and put that right on top of the lettuce. And you want to get little pieces about like this without a lot of the stalk. So if you have a heavy stalk, go ahead and cut it off. But I just kind of rip them apart. You just kind of want to disperse them evenly over the lettuce. So it should be looking like this. The next layer is our onions. So just go ahead and try to evenly disperse the onions over top of the cauliflower. The next step is to go ahead and add your bacon. Next step is your chicken. And you'll want to go ahead and pat this down, compress it just a little bit. Now you want to sprinkle this with your 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. So now it should look like this. Now to make the sauce, what you're going to need is at least 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'll call it a hearty cup. Go ahead and put that in a bowl and add your 3 teaspoons of sweetener and mix that up. And then go ahead and give this a taste and see if it's sweet enough for you. I wouldn't add more than 4 teaspoons, but if 3 is not enough, then feel free to go ahead and add a 4th. So now that this is made, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put it on top of this, and you want to try to coat the entire pan, sealing the edges with it if possible. And depending on the size of your pan, you might need to make some more of the dressing, but you do want to make sure that it covers the entire thing as best as possible. Kind of take your spatula and just try to seal it the best you can, and the Parmesan cheese is going to get mixed up in there a little bit. That's fine. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's completely coated and sealed from side to side, and that's what you want. Next step is just to cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Minimum of 6 hours. Overnight works best. You really want these flavors to combine, and that's what makes for a good tasting sauce. Definitely don't eat it right away. It will not taste right. You'll be like, ooh, this recipe is no good. You have to let it wait at least 6 hours. Refrigerate it. It is so good. Tomorrow, mix it up. Perfect thing to take to a potluck.